Today, I'm going to share with you a beautiful rustic centerpiece in a wooden box. To begin this design, I started with a rustic wooden box. Inside the box, there are two liners that I have placed floral foam pre-soaked with preservative. And then on each side of that, I've incorporated dry foam sections that I've covered and concealed with moss. From there, I layered in birch branches and birch pieces of bark to kind of incorporate and add dimension and movement in the design. And incorporated these incredible Osage oranges, which have just a really great kind of nubbly texture as well. I incorporated those utilizing some shish kabob skewers, but you could use wood picks as well. Then I've layered in some beautiful pine cones to add some great texture that are very tactile. So this design is really great because it has an incredible long-lasting quality with all of the elements that will hold for a month or longer. The roses, of course, will fade, but you can plug in other roses. It's a great selling point for your customer because you could easily transition this from Thanksgiving right into the next holiday season. This arrangement that I created includes Osage oranges, these incredible roses that are called atomic, and other woodland textural elements. Lastly, I layered in this incredible nandina. And then I incorporated this great green hydrangea. I also did the coral hypericum, which is just a really yummy color that plays off the roses. So it just gives you a really textural, beautiful centerpiece that I think your customers will really enjoy. I definitely think it's a great one. It can be used on a table or beautiful on a mantle for your clients. So give it a try. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.